Welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. I'm Gabby, and we are making a quick cut t-shirt face covering. This template is provided by cdc.gov. This activity is intended for all ages. You will need a t-shirt and a pair of scissors. Today we're going to be making a quick cut t-shirt face covering, and this is a no-sew method. All you need is a t-shirt and a pair of scissors. We will begin by spreading your shirt out. And what we're going to do is you're going to measure about 7 to 8 inches from here, from the bottom. If you don't have ruler or measuring tape or anything, you can just kind of use your fingers to do the measuring, but I have a measuring tape that I found laying around, and I'm going to use the Sharpie, and I am going just to draw a line to where I'm going to be stopping on each side. I'm measuring 8 inches. And this is where we're going to be cutting. I'm going to grab my scissors and just cut across. I am going to be taking the material that I cut out, and what I am going to do now simply is cut off the strings for my mask. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut about 6 to 7 inches for each strip. So I'm going to grab my measuring tape and measure 7 inches. Okay, so we drew our 7-inch line. This part of our shirt is going to be the actual mask. On this side is where we're going to cut out the strings, which is what you're going to be used to tie it around your head. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut out my strings. So I'm just going to come in this way and bring it all the way to the line. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And now you can cut them at the end, so you'll be able to do the time. Okay, so now we have a mask. Our friend Snoopy is going to assist us on trying our mask. So the best method is to turn your head to one side. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your mask and you're going to begin by tying a knot at the top, and then we will tie a knot at the bottom. And there we go. Thanks for joining Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. Make sure to share photos of your activity online and tag us using #ILoveHPL. See you next time.